Embarking on a weight loss journey? Here's what you need to know. Start by setting realistic goals. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Balance your diet, opt for whole foods, limit processed ones. Keep an eye on portion sizes, and make sure to drink plenty of water. Incorporate fiber and protein into your meals. They'll keep you feeling full. Snack smart, choose fruits, nuts, and yogurt over chips and cookies. Limit liquid calories, yes, that includes your favorite caramel latte. Practice mindful eating, savor each bite. Regular exercise is a must. And don't forget to catch up on your beauty sleep. Stress can be a sneaky weight gain culprit. Find ways to manage it effectively. Need a diet plan? Here's a sample. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast. A mid-morning snack to keep the hunger pangs at bay. Lunch should be balanced and filling. An afternoon snack to fuel you till dinner. End your day with a light and early dinner. If you're up late, an evening snack might be needed, but keep it light. Remember, consistency is key to weight loss. Good luck on your journey to a healthier you.